This mask can curl your hair in a very short time, and also prevents the fall of it. Amazing! Many women seek to look more interesting and with a different style. Some women put their hair to a wide variety of treatments that consent to change their look. The designers have created lovely techniques and products that offer us nutrition thanks to their shape, size or volume are changing. The straight hair is still in the foot being the preferred. Nowadays enough people are betting on other types of hairstyles that makes it easier for women to show with wavy, curly or moving wicks. These not only authorize you to have a cold and daring image, but complete the aspects of the face to look radiant. The drawback is that some of the processes are very aggressive. At first it is not noticed. With the passing of the years they form irreversible damages. Fortunately, there are different options that you have the possibility to practice, to achieve a defined curls without mistreating the hair. Enzymes that decrease pineapple are useful for achieving abundant hair, curly, bulging and without adversities such as dryness. Its active compounds cause the natural development of hair strands, and make it easier to shine in strength. Ingredients: 1. Pineapple peels. 2. 1 liter of water. 3. A spray bottle. Preparation and use: 1. Only put the pineapple peels in a pot and put it in water over medium heat until it boils. Lower the heat and let it cook for an additional 5 minutes, then let it rest. 2. Allow it to sit until it reaches a permanent temperature. Filter it with a strainer and bottle the liquid in a spray bottle. Then you should only rinse your mane as usual, and when it is moist, apply the treatment from the scalp to the tips. Repeat this process day after day, or at least 4 times a week.